Bill of Rights and the Declaration of Independence impact on the U.S. Constitution. Declaration of Independence. Adopted on July 4, 1776, the Declaration of Independence detailed the complaints of the American colonies towards British rule. It projected their desire to create a new country based on the ideals of personal freedom, social justice, and widespread sovereignty. A well-known statement that all men are created equal and have an internal right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, claims that people give governments their consent to rule them, and that when a system of government fails to uphold citizens' rights, the people will rightfully overthrow it. The Declaration of Independence morally and politically justified the American Revolution, which motivated other nations to establish independence and democracy. English Bill of Rights. The English Bill of Rights was written by the English Parliament in 1689 to restrict King James II's abuse of power through his monarchical governance. Several fundamental rights and freedoms were provided to English citizens, such as the right to vote, the right to keep and bear arms, the freedom of speech, and safeguarding from harsh punishments. The Bill of Rights also strengthened parliamentary supremacy to prevent the Queen and monarch from undermining the decisions made by Parliament. Most influential document. These two writings greatly influenced the U.S. Constitution, but the Bill of Rights had a more significant effect. It established the foundation for constitutional monarchy, limited government, and the safeguarding of individual rights by explicitly articulating essential liberties and the concept of checks and balances. This document guided the framers of the U.S. Constitution and American colonists to establish a governing system that would protect the rights of citizens and the redistribution of power. The First and Second Amendments and numerous rights are reflected in the U.S. Constitution. These amendments defend the right to speech and the liberty to bear arms. The Bill of Rights established grounds for forming a government and safeguarding personal rights. On the other hand, the Declaration of Independence was more focused on finding the values of individual liberties and self-governance.